Ever wanted to save money on therapy? With Jin Shin Jyutsu, you can harmonize mind, body, and spirit just by holding your fingers. Each of these fingers harmonizes an attitude. An attitude is an entrenched emotional response. Holding the thumb clears worry. Holding the index finger clears fear or anxiety. Holding the middle finger clears anger. Holding the ring finger clears sadness or grief. And finally, holding the pinky finger clears trying to, overstimulation, and pretense. Whenever you feel any of these negative emotions, just hold the corresponding finger to clear them. Therapeutically, it is recommended that you hold the finger for 20 minutes. The right hand is for current concerns like where the money for the next month's rent is coming from. The left hand is for past issues such as recurring relationship patterns arising from unresolved childhood trauma. Happy finger holding. And remember that Jin Shin Jyutsu is complementary to conventional medicine. Please seek professional help if you need it. We wish you the very best of health for the holidays and for the year ahead. Thank you for listening.